Hey everyone! Welcome back to Business and Beyond. In today's video, I am going to share with you the 5 most efficient ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online by promoting other people's products. By becoming an affiliate marketer, you can earn a commission for every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. So, let's get started with the 5 most efficient ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Choosing the right affiliate program. When it comes to choosing the right affiliate program, it's important to consider several factors. First, you want to choose a program that aligns with your niche and interests. For example, if you run a fitness blog, you might want to choose an affiliate program that offers fitness products such as supplements or workout gear. Second, you want to make sure the products you promote are of high quality and have a good reputation in the market. You don't want to promote products that are low quality or have a bad reputation, as this can damage your own reputation and credibility. Third, consider the commission rate, payout frequency, and cookie duration when choosing an affiliate program. Look for programs that offer a competitive commission rate, regular payouts, and a long cookie duration. A cookie is a small file that is stored on a user's device when they click on your affiliate link. The longer the cookie duration, the more time you have to earn a commission on any subsequent purchases made by that user. Promoting products through a blog. Blogging is a great way to promote products and earn money through affiliate marketing. One of the best ways to do this is by creating blog posts that review products and provide useful information to your readers. Make sure to include your affiliate links in the blog posts so that readers can easily purchase the products you are promoting. When creating blog content, focus on providing high-quality information that adds value to your readers. This will not only help you build a loyal audience, but it will also increase the chances of readers clicking on your affiliate links and making a purchase. Promoting products through social media. Social media is another great way to promote products and earn money through affiliate marketing. You can promote products through your social media channels by creating posts, stories, and reels. Make sure to include your affiliate links in the posts so that followers can easily purchase the products you are promoting. When promoting products on social media, focus on creating engaging content that encourages your followers to click on the links and make a purchase. This can be done by creating visually appealing posts, writing compelling captions, and using hashtags to increase visibility. Using email marketing. Email marketing is a powerful tool for affiliate marketers. You can create an email list of subscribers who are interested in your niche and send them promotional emails with your affiliate links. Make sure to create high-quality email content that encourages your subscribers to click on the links and make a purchase. When creating email content, focus on providing value to your subscribers. This can be done by sharing useful tips, providing exclusive discounts, or offering free resources. By providing value, you'll build trust with your subscribers and increase the chances of them making a purchase through your affiliate links. Using paid advertising. Paid advertising is another effective way to promote products and earn money through affiliate marketing. You can use platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads to promote products through your affiliate links. Make sure to create compelling ad copy and choose the right keywords and targeting options to reach your ideal audience. When creating ad copy, focus on creating a sense of urgency and highlighting the benefits of the product. Use attention-grabbing headlines and clear calls to action to encourage users to click on your ad and make a purchase. In conclusion, affiliate marketing can be a great way to make money online, but it requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. To be successful, choose the right affiliate program, create high-quality content, and promote products through various channels. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of making a decent income through affiliate marketing. This is Business and Beyond. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.